Initially, the method I posted on YouTube, the Vedic method, I thought that only um, works, that only does not work if the question is like this: ax square plus bxy plus cy square. But someone posted another question, that is this one, that has a missing y term, that does not have a y term, only x term. And I tried my method and it doesn't work. So my method only works for these kinds of things: ax square plus bx plus cy square plus dy plus exy and some constant, right, goes to 0. It only works for these. It doesn't work for this. So what will you do? You can either just take y as a constant and then think of this as a quadratic equation and then solve it accordingly to get wait a second, to get this, which is yeah. So what I did in this was, I first had this and I kind of tried to solve quadratic equation using the formula. And what this is basically, wait a second, yeah, let me close this and just turn these on. As you can see, both of them are making up the graph, but one of them is making this peculiar it's kind of, one equation is like half of one line and half of other line. So I was kind of a bit confused what was happening. So what I did is, I solved it. I solved the discriminant, right, this part under the root, and what I got was y minus 3 whole square. So when you take a root of 4, you basically do plus 2 and minus 2, right? So when I did a square root, I was thinking of taking plus minus y minus 3, but it already had a plus minus, so I left it there. So x, I'm solving for x now, right, this one, 3y minus 2 minus plus minus y minus 3. And when I solved that, I got these two, x equals to 2y minus 1 and x equals to y plus 1. Okay, so these are this one. Wait a second. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. So these two. Yeah. So as you can see, these two are perfectly okay. Like, one of them represent one line only, not broken half lines, as you can see. Yeah, so this is how you do it. Also, you can just like factorize in like this. It's a bit lengthy method. So basically you are just solving for like quadratic equation, taking y as constant if you have a x term, or if the question was something like this: y square plus 2x square minus 3xy plus y minus 2, then you would be taking x as a constant because you have y. So basically, in whichever term you can find a quadratic equation, you will solve for that, right? Here you can find a quadratic equation in y, something plus something constant. In our question that we solved, it was this one, right? We had something x square plus something x plus constant, right? So we could not have solved this in this method because there was no y, right? So just to show that everything is same, let me turn off. Okay, this happens, man. Get very annoyed. Yeah. So this is also same, this is also same, and this is also same. So all of these are the same thing, right? I'm basically just factorizing it. I broke this 3y minus 3y plus 1, I mean this one, okay, minus 3y plus 1 into So I broke this into these two, and then I just took common, and finally I got this, which I was also getting from these two, right? Solving this formula. So basically you have to solve the quadratic, and my method only works for these kinds of where everything is there. There is an x, there is an y. That is, you can form quadratic equation in x and quadratic equation in y, both. Only when you can do both, then only my method is valid, otherwise it's not.